Hello everyone and welcome to More to Explore. I'm Miss Natasha and today we are going to make a Celtic heart knot. Okay, in your kit you will find two hearts, one green, one gold, and then a green piece of yarn. What's not in your kit are scissors, so go ahead and grab your scissors and we can get started. Okay, so the next step will be cutting out both of your hearts. So go ahead and cut those out. So I find the easiest ways to cut out the outside, and then you'll cut out that inside portion, because this is the part you want to save. Same for this. Go ahead and cut out the outside of the heart, and then you'll cut out that inside part, because this is the part you want to save. Okay, once you've cut out your hearts, go ahead and these parts that have slots, you're just going to snip like that. That's it. So snip all the slots. And then we are going to cut out that little hole. If you have a hole puncher, great. If you don't, you can just use your scissors. I bend it in half and then I follow the outline. The next step is to slot them. So go ahead and attach the two slots at the top. Put them inside of each other, and then attach the two slots at the bottom of your hearts and put them inside of each other. Perfect. And then you're going to flip it over and we're going to start our knot. So what you want to do is over, under, over, under. You're going to take the green part of the knot and you're going to put it over the yellow part, okay? That first yellow portion. Then there's the second yellow portion coming down at the end of the heart. You're going to put your green underneath that portion. So now, as you can see, green has gone over, and now green has gone under. And now green will go over. And now green will go under. And now green will go over. Okay, now we're over. Now green will go under. Pull it and go under the yellow. Okay, now we're under here. So now green will go over. Go ahead and pull it over. And now we're going to slot the end of our heart. So go ahead and slot those together. The heart of our knot. And perfect. Now that those are attached, your knot and your 3D heart are done. So as you can see, you've knotted your Celtic heart. Over, under, over, under, over, under. That's all you have to remember. And you're going to put the yarn through the hole at the top and you're going to tie it. That way you can hang it. And you can hang this wherever you want. You should be pretty proud of yourself, because Celtic heart knots are not the easiest thing to make, but they are fun and they're pretty cool. Enjoy hanging your Celtic heart knot. So one last thing. How many hearts do you see in your Celtic heart knot? So you have your big heart, right? That big green one. Then you have your big gold one. And then there are hearts in your knot. Do you see that? And then you have different sides to your heart, right? So see if you can count how many hearts are in your Celtic heart knot. And ask somebody else, like a friend or family member too. See if you get the same number, or see if they see other hearts that you don't see, or if you see other hearts that they don't see.
Did you know the Celts were a people in civilization that stretched across Europe from Spain to the Balkans? They spoke related languages that survive today as Scottish, Gaelic, Welsh, Irish, and Breton.